Hello there and welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about cron jobs. So basically, cron jobs are commonly used for like log rotation, archiving, database backup, scheduled reports, and so on. And what we are going to see is how you can create a cron job. So let's create the cron.yml file. And here in the cron.yml file, we are going to paste a fairly simple example. And this is going to be a simple script, which is going to echo hello from Kubernetes, and it is supposed to run every minute. It is going to use the BusyBox image, and it is going to pull it if it's not already present. So once the definition is there, we can use the kubectl apply -f cron.yml. Okay, but where did it go? So if we check with the kubectl get pods, you can see that we have the hello manual, which was a previous cron job that I triggered, but the cron jobs are under the cron jobs section. And here you can see the information about the cron job. And you have the kubectl get jobs. And that's going to be basically another way to get information about the jobs. And you can wait for jobs to complete. So if everything goes well, it should be triggered in any minute now. And on the web interface, we can see the hello cron job. And we have the option, if we go to the right side of the pane, to trigger it manually. Now, if we go back to the console, you can see that it ran to completion. And if you check the pods, you can see that we have another completed pod. So the name of the pods will be, if you used a manifest file, like randomly generated, so to speak. And if you trigger it manually, they will get the manual substring. So now what we can do is to check the logs. So kubectl logs or log -f, and let's check the log of this pod. As you can see, this is all the log that we have. Let's trigger one manually. Now, if we watch the pods, you can see it is running and it is complete. Now, if we check the pods, you can see that there was one which ran 11 seconds ago. And if we check the logs, that's gonna be it. All right, so technically that was all that I wanted to show you in this video. See you in the next one.